everyone, welcome to Sandals and Steel Toes. My name is Lex and welcome to my garden. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to be amending my soil to prepare for my fall planting. I just got done digging up 2 rows of red potatoes and I'm going to use that space to sow more seeds of root vegetables, some carrot, rutabagas, beets. So I need to amend the soil a little bit to make sure that it's got some new nutrients to hold it through the fall season. So I just got done digging up a bunch of leaves that were from my leaf pile in the back. Every fall, all of these maple trees that I have here drop so many leaves, and we have a big pile of leaves. So I went and dug up the ones that were underneath the top layer so they're nice and moist, decomposy, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is amend the soil with leaves and some other organic matter and put it all on these 2 rows where the potatoes were to prepare it for the fall crops. Okay, the first layer of my soil amendment is down, which is the composting leaves. So now we're going to move on to the next layer. So this is a pile of composting horse manure that I got for free earlier this spring from a local horse farm and hauled it home in the truck, and it's been sitting here decomposing. So this is going to be my next layer for the soil amendment. What? What are you doing? A video?
That was a video.
Loading up the horse manure onto our soil amendment. Anthony's our cameraman. What is it you do? You go yeet? How do you yeet? Just yeet! Like that? Is that how you yeet? You want to do some?
You yeet and delete.
Yeet! Ow! That didn't work good. Your cheeks are red.
Manure.
So layer 2 of the horse manure on top of the leaves. And then the final layer is in the compost bin. Okay, after much digging, we got a nice amount of compost. This is going to be the top layer of my soil amendment. So I have all of the compost layered on top. The last thing that I want to do before I am satisfied is to kind of take my shovel and dig it all in and mix it all up a little bit so it's nice to spread out evenly throughout the dirt here, and then I'll be ready to plant. And there it is, all mixed up. Looks really nice. I think that's going to be a good mix for the fall. Hopefully you can tell also how much the ground level here is raised up from this row. This is nice and tall. So just a little bit of information. I put the leaves down first because obviously they were the least decomposed. There were still some large pieces of leaves. So having it on the bottom layer of my soil amendment will help those break down even more. You don't want to put horse manure on your plants like for growing food when it's fresh. You need to have it sit for several months before you do that. It's too hot otherwise, too acidic, and it'll burn your plants. It had been sitting for a while, so I'm comfortable using that. What was most decomposed was obviously my compost. I removed all the top layer of composting matter and dug up everything that was underneath that. And I don't do anything special for my compost bin. Be lazy about it. It's for kitchen scrap and plants that get pulled out, that coffee filters and paper towels and water. I don't do any of the fancy composting stuff. I would like to make a better composting setup in the future. These are just 3 easy things that you can use to amend your soil. You don't have to spend money on it. You just have to be resourceful and know what to do. So if you are in a place with trees, save your leaves. leaves, make a big leaf pile, let it sit and decompose. Place locally that you can get horse manure or cow manure. Sometimes these places are just waiting for someone to come and take it. Call around, put out an ad on your social media. That's what I did. I just had to go and get it myself. And then making your own compost is also really easy with just your regular household scraps and stuff around the yard. I have a nice soil amendment for my fall crop. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other beds that I'm clearing out. I'm going to get my roots planted. It's another wave. This is my first year doing any kind of fall crop, fall garden, so I'm really excited about it. It's gonna be good. I really hope this has encouraged you to amending your soil. It can be cheap and easy if you are resourceful and don't mind doing a little bit of work to get some free stuff. Thank you for watching this video, and today do something you absolutely love. Let me know what that was in the comments. Talk to you later, everyone. Bye.